Okay, so I made my snake symbol, so I'm going to make, and that's in my library at the moment, so I'm going to make another symbol. So insert, new symbol. What will I make? I'll make a bird. I'll make a bird. Again, monthly graphic, go okay. So with the bird, I'm going to draw the body first, and I'm going to make the wings move separately. So white, you can't really see white. I'll make it grey for now. So I'm going to try and do just a very simple cockatoo type bird. Okay. So that's like the body, in flight. That's the head. I guess I then need the yellow plumes. Do the beak, my eyes. Do I have a black beak? What does the beak look like? Yeah, it's not bad. Ooh. Just gonna zoom in a bit. Paint bucket tool. Yay. Alright. That's the body, which I'm not going to change much. Well, I'm not going to change at all. I'm going to have the wings separate. So that's my layer 1. That's the body. I'm going to add another layer here. So I'll call that body. And my layer 2 is going to be the wings. And I will add, for the body, I want the body to stay the same. So I'm going to add keyframe, insert keyframe a couple of times. And when I do the wings, I'll insert a blank keyframe. So let's do the wings first. So let's get the right grey colour again. Get our paintbrush, and I guess we want like wings up. I guess we want some sort of tail as well. Wings up, and then insert blank keyframe on the wings layer, onion skin so I can see where the old wing and tail was, and paint it as it's moving, so slightly further down as the wings in their flapping motion. And then the same thing on this side. Now, as you can see, the other wing is slightly going to be a problem because it's going to start chopping the head off. So I might leave the second wing and make that another layer behind the body. So if I go new layer and choose layer 3 to drag below the body and call that wing 2. And I want to insert a keyframe. Now I want a blank keyframe because I don't need anything on that layer because I already drew it there. On my second layer though, I don't need to insert anything because it's already there. I just need to paint it down here. There, you see it should disappear. See how it disappeared? Like it was in front of the yellow plume. when I drew it, and then when I let go, it flipped behind, so that's good. And we want our tail. We don't want to forget about the tail. Okay, so then we want to insert another blank keyframe here. Insert blank keyframe here. So that's that one, that's this one here, and now we have to paint on both wing layers. So the first one we want to be just below. We want our tail again. Now you could put the tail as part of the body so you didn't need to draw it each time as well. That's the second wing. No, I don't want the second wing. I'll leave the second wing. That's this layer. But I think that I wouldn't see it, so I'm just going to leave that one. And then we want maybe one more in each one. So insert keyframe on body, insert blank keyframe on wings, and insert blank keyframe on wing 2. So on wings, we want to paint in the last, oopsies, the wing and its last flap all the way down. We want the tail. And maybe you'd have like a bit of the wing. Looks silly. Maybe we'll have it visible. So the second wing on that keyframe there, I might have it visible below. Looks like legs a bit, but oh well. Let's just preview how it's looking so far. It's not bad. Put it on a loop. Okay, so looping like that because the top up here isn't dragged enough to the side, so we'll just drag it to the end. Now, it's pretty good. The tail is weird. I'd probably change the tail to be part of the body so it didn't move because it's a bit distracting. However, I think it looks pretty good. So that's our second symbol, the bird symbol. Go back to scene, you can see we've got our bird and our snake.